Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how to create your target quadrant in Tableau. So here we have a list of customers and we have sales and orders on our axis. And we have parameters here where we input our sales cutoff and our order cutoff, and by that we look at how many of our customers fall into our target quadrant. That is the upper right corner. So here you can see that these colors are different, and you can kind of do an analysis on who are your top customers this way. So this is super interesting, and if you want to know how to do it, or at least the way that I do it, stick around. I hope that it helps you. Something I learned recently and I thought it was really cool, so I thought I would teach you all. So if you're interested, stick around. Here we go. So here we go. First, we're gonna the two measures that we're gonna use in this is we're gonna use the sales and we're gonna use number of orders, and we're gonna use our customers. Um, and if you see here, so this is what we're gonna do. Step one, well, first we need a cutoff parameter for our sales and another cutoff parameter for our orders. So what we're gonna do is right click here and we're first gonna create a parameter. Now these sales and orders, I'm gonna link the Excel or the data set below so you can follow along, and check out the other videos that we have on Tableau, because we have done a couple of dashboards using the same data set. So maybe you get some ideas. So first, let's right click, create a parameter here, and first we're going to call it sales cutoff so that you can actually input um, the cutoff for sales where you want to see customers who only have sales above a certain cutoff here. And we're going to give this as an integer. Value, let's just give it 1 million for now, a minimum and maximum, and you could just give it from a field, but yeah, I'm giving it 2 million for now. And now we have sales cutoff. Let's right click and show parameters, so you see parameters here, and as you move it, you don't see anything happening here, of course. And let's maybe change that. So now you have your sales cutoff parameter. Let's create a set of customers that actually correspond to those sales cutoffs. So let's right click, create set, and we're going to call this our top sales customers. Let's go to condition and by formula, and here we're going to say that we only want to look at customers whose sum of sales is greater than or equal to our parameter, that is the sales cutoff, right? That's what we want. So we're looking at all the sum of sales, the top customers with sales that is over our cutoff here. So we click on OK. And now if you actually take this particular set and put it in colors, you see that these are grayed out and only these are highlighted. So let's change the circles here first of all so that we can have a good look at it, and let's take sales and put it in size. So um, that looks much better. All right, so now we have our top sales customers. Let's create another parameter for our orders. So we're going to right click again, create parameter. um, let's say order cutoff, and this is for our y-axis here. Again, integer, give it a random value for now. We want to keep moving it, so let's give it a range, and let's say OK, and let's right click and say show parameter. So now you have your sales cutoff and your order cutoff. Of course, this one is not active right now, so it doesn't make any change. So let's change that. Now you have your order cutoff, so let's connect that to your customers. Right click on customers, create new set, and this set is called top orders, customers. And again, this is by formulas where you want to look at customers whose orders is greater than or equal to your order cutoff parameter that you just created. So it's going to show you the customers with more orders than the cutoff that you select or the user selects here. And we click on OK. So now we have these two. So we have two individual sets here, but for this graph we want one set so that we have two different colors, one that match the set and one that doesn't. So let's make a combined set here with these two. So here we have our top sales and here we have our top orders, and we want to create a combined set with both. So let's call this our target customers. So maybe we can offer more discounts or incentives and try to get them to buy more. So you have your target customers here. One set is your top orders customer and your other one is the top sales customers, but you don't want all of them. You only want the ones that match both. So you want the ones that corresponds to higher than sales and higher than the number of orders that you input in these two parameters here. So you select the middle one, which gives you the shared members in both sets. Click on OK. So now you have your target. So I'm gonna take this one away. We're gonna take targets and drag and drop it to color. And now you see your target customers. So let's try changing orders. And as you can see, as my order goes up, now it's only this one that corresponds to both. If I reduce the number of orders, then you see that this is changing. So if you want to change maybe the color a little bit, and you see the changes here. And the same with sales. As I increase the sales, there's only few. Yeah. So now these two are corresponding and you have your target area basically. So you see that this is your target area. But there's one issue here. It's pretty difficult to find out, right? Like what's really happening. So let's first create two reference lines. So right click on your axis here, add reference line. And what do you want the reference line to be? You want the value of the reference line to be your cutoff. So as you increase the sales, you want a line here so that you know where your cutoff is. So in this case, since this is the x-axis, I'm going to put sales cutoff here. And this is our cutoff. And we're going to do the same here. Right click, add reference line. And here I'm going to put order cutoff. And now you have a reference line here. Wonderful. So this is what you want exactly. So this is your quadrant. These are the two inputs. So as you change this, the line moves up and it highlights your target customer, which belongs to your target quadrant that you're looking for. So this is how you do it. And I hope, and you can use this in plenty of examples. And I think one good way, so here you don't know exactly, so you can, I think one good thing you could do is right click here and say drop lines, show drop lines. And now this is away, but if you click on it, you know exactly where the lines drop. So this is how you do it. I hope that this helped you, and if you like it, please subscribe, like the video, it helps a lot, and stick around for more and let me know what you want, and maybe there are ways to make this even better. So just let me know. I mean, I love to learn new things, and I use ClickSense in my day job pretty much every day, and I am a big enthusiast of Tableau, and I'm still trying to learn and get better. Just feel free to write to me, or please stick around for more videos on Tableau and ClickSense. Hope you like this. Peace.